welcome to the Edsembli Cloud Student Information System, a modern solution that will provide a solid foundation for the future of education at your school district. This is the third video of a four-part series where we will explore the administrative tools and screens of the Edsembli SIS. Today's video, we will look at the student registration process. Let's face it, at many schools, enrolling a new student is a very manual and paper-based process. With Edsembli intuitive online application and registration tools, student data is only entered once by the parent. That means countless hours saved during every registration period. Let's start by looking at the registration forms. New parents will need to create an account with your school before they can get started. Once created, they will be able to log in. From there, they will select the school they are registering for. Any forms applicable to the new parent will be visible. Depending on your school's process, you may start with an application form first. Or maybe you require the parent to go straight to the registration form to kick off the process. This is fully configurable by the school district. Forms are customizable for your school, including logos and any other custom information you need to collect. Our built-in form builder allows you to create any type of form quickly and easily. Plus, it supports multiple field types, including text, checkboxes, drop-down lists, dates, phone numbers, and even file uploads for things like transcripts or identification. If a parent is pulled away for any reason, the form will automatically save and be ready for when they return. Any field with a red asterisk is a mandatory field. If the parent tries to submit the form before completing all required fields, they will be automatically directed to the missing field like you see here. Once submitted, parents can download a copy and see the status of their registration and whether it's pending or processed. Let's return to the school office. Admin staff will be notified of new registrations and can jump directly to the dashboard to pending students. Administrators can view the full completed registration form and other documents that were uploaded, like ID. Once the information is verified, you can move forward with registering the student. The first step is to search to see if the student already exists in the database. If no matches are found, click on Student Not Found and New Student. All of the information submitted in the registration form will automatically populate the relevant fields, saving your admin teams a significant amount of time when adding new students. Complete all the required fields to finalize the registration. Click Save, and you'll have successfully added a new student. Once registered, parents and students will have access to the Edsembli Connect portal, where they can get information about their classes, teacher schedule, homework, and even pay fees. Like what you see? Join us for our next video, where we will explore the reporting capabilities of Edsembli SIS. Looking for more information about how Edsembli Cloud SIS can help you build the foundation needed for the future of education at your school district? Get in touch with one of our education specialists today.